Hey everybody, and welcome back to another SPY recap. Ricky here. I hope everybody's doing well. Today is Thursday, January 8th, 2026. SPY was down 0.01% today, so pretty much unchanged, and closed at a price of 689.51. And on the monthly trend is up. Price is still trading far above the monthly basis. And on the weekly down here, the weekly trend is also up. Price is also trading above the weekly basis. The weekly structure is still bullish here, but a bit choppy up here. And on the daily, over here, the daily trend is also still up. Price closed above the daily basis, so the bullish thesis is still alive here. This is acceptance above the daily basis. And lastly, on the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour trend is also still up. It is consolidating right now. The last 4-hour candle here touched below the 4-hour basis just a bit, but then it closed back above it. So this is a basis hold, so the bulls still have control as of now. And big picture summary, the alignment is bullish overall because the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour are all above their basis. And now for the trade idea section. So as always, this is just for educational purposes only and not financial advice. So with SPY at this current price right now, is there a good trade opportunity here, right now? Well, personally, I think it's best not to open any new position right here, just because the employment report is tomorrow, Friday, January 9th at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So price can gap through any key levels after the report. But there's also an aggressive long trade idea here. If I really want to get into the action, it's an aggressive idea, so my position size has to be tiny, usually just 10 to 20% of my normal position size. And the reason is the long idea is reasonable here because all the time frames are above their basis, and the 4-hour basis held at this closed. But it is still extremely risky because the employment report is tomorrow, like I said, where price can just gap through any key levels and not respecting anything. So, and how about a short here? Well, a short here would be fighting the bigger trend. So that's a no for my playbook. Let's zoom into the daily and just take a quick look at the trade setup for this aggressive long idea. So if I open a long right here, my stop would have to give it some room. So I would probably move it below the 682. So I'll probably go around here. And then my first target would be 695, which is up here, the daily upper band. So the risk to reward here would be 1-to-1, which is okay but not great. And then so the idea here, still like the best idea is to stay flat and really reassess, after the employment report tomorrow. But otherwise, this aggressive idea is extremely risky if I want to take it just to get into the action here. And that's all for today. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.